How to check leaderboard in Quotex. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Quotex and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right of the screen. And from there, click on Leaderboard as you can see it in the top of the screen. And now we are on the leaderboard section of this day. As you can see, these are all the traders that are on the leaderboard. Let's see how does this rating work. As you can see, it says that all traders on the platform participate in this rating, and the main features that will allow you to participate are: you should only trade in live mode, and your position will be dependent on the amount of the money you earned, and this is calculated every day starting from midnight UTC to the other days midnight, also in UTC. And as you can see, it shows you at the top your position and how much money you've made and all of the other participants. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see and view the leaderboard of Quotex. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.